Episode 5 of Dynamite Kiss picks up with Ji-Hyuk saving Darim from the kidnappers. He is slightly pissed to see the wounds on her hands and threatens the kidnappers to stay away from Darim. Like a classic hero, he carries Darim to the safety of his car when her legs give out. Before dropping her off at home, he gets her some bandages and ointment for her wounds. Darim thanks him and promises to repay the money. However, Ji-Hyuk coolly asks her to table the matter for another day. As he drops her home, Seonyu watches from his window and notes how Ji-Hyuk is considerate of Darim. Speaking of Seonyu, his son, Kim Jun, asks him to date Hae-young because he likes her. When Darim arrives home, Seonyu checks on her but he's displeased to hear that she was in danger and Ji-Hyuk saved her. At home, Ji-Hyuk replays the incident in his mind. Of course, he is trying to rationalize his actions towards Darim but in the end, he convinces himself that he is only concerned for Darim as her boss. The lies we tell ourselves. The following day at work, the team worries about the fallout from the live stream. Thankfully, Ji-Hyuk and Jae-young-min have things under control. They prove that the live stream worked in their favor and raised the brand's image among consumers. This is largely thanks to Go-yoon's single mom story. As expected, Ji-hae and Jungwoo are caught by surprise by how Ji-Hyuk escapes their trap. On the other hand, the chairman grows more impressed with Ji-Hyuk and his team. Sensing this, Ji-hae and her little minion devise a new plan to sabotage Ji-Hyuk's team. The Mother TF team is grateful to Ji-Hyuk for saving them. Moving forward, Ji-Hyuk insists on signing off on everything. Jae-young-min is shocked since initially Ji-Hyuk wanted nothing to do with the team. Ji-Hyuk jokes that he is burning with passion as a leader and can't help it. Later, Darim presents Ji-Hyuk with a repayment contract. Ji-Hyuk only asks her to pay back the principal amount. He is also curious why Darim's husband didn't pick her up from work, knowing the loan sharks are after her. Darim unconsciously rage-baits Ji-Hyuk when she defends her husband. To punish her, Ji-Hyuk becomes petty over the contract. According to him, he bought Darim's organs, and he insists on making her live a healthy lifestyle. In the end, Darim laments that it would have been better to die at the hands of the loan sharks. Elsewhere, Hae-young visits Seonyu and falls even harder after accidentally seeing his perfectly chiseled abs. Anyway, once Seonyu puts on a shirt, Hae-young asks about his love life. Hearing that he is single, she starts working her charm on him. In the meantime, Ji-hae sends the Mother TF team to a park managed by the company. It was initially managed by Ji-Hyuk's mom, but has since been neglected after she left the company. The team is sent there to help clean up the park and bring it back to life. As they work, the mothers open up about their labor experiences. Darim is caught off guard but uses her birth story to save herself. However, the women question if Darim truly knows anything about child rearing. She keeps saying strange things and they assume that her husband is more devout and handles the child rearing. Ji-Hyuk is pissed to hear the women laud Darim's husband and walks away. At the park, Darim comes across a young mother who makes her think about natural Bep's stance on environmental sustainability. Ji-Hyuk visits the tree he and his mom planted when he was young. Darim offers to take pictures for him to show his mom. She is fascinated when Ji-Hyuk spots a bee and starts running away. She chases after him, effortlessly teasing him. Later, the park manager shares with Ji-Hyuk and Darim that the company is thinking of selling the park. They want to focus on profit instead of social responsibility. Darim believes the company should try a tree planting campaign since mothers also care about creating a safe world for their kids. This reminds Ji-Hyuk of his mom when they planted the tree together. That night, Ji-Hyuk shows his mom the pictures of the tree and promises to turn her dreams into reality. On the other side of the hospital, Darim spends some quality time with her mom. She returns home, and Sienu makes her dinner. He is flustered when Darim shares the funny story of Jihyok being scared of bees. The next day at the board meeting, Jihyok suggests reviving the tree planting campaign and focusing on environmental protection. Jihae is naturally against the idea, but Jihyok's points resonate with the chairman. He orders the teams to present a competitive pitch by the following week. At first, the Mother TF team is intimidated by the marketing team's skills. Jihyok encourages them to use their experience as mothers and compliments Jihyok for coming up with the idea. At lunch, the two teams get into a fight, inspiring the Mother TF team to work even harder. For the next few days, the team works overtime to come up with a worthy concept. In the meantime, Jihyok asks Hyang to help with the project. Hyang agrees on the condition that Jihyok hires Sienu as a photographer. Once Jihyok sees Sienu's work, he is impressed and agrees to Hyang's terms. Sienu later shares the news with Darim and convinces her to work together. Things come to a head when Sienu shows up, and Jihyok realizes he's accidentally hired Darim's husband. Simultaneously, Hyang is shocked to hear that Darim is Sienu's wife. He pulls her aside before she says anything and explains the situation. She agrees to play along as long as Sienu grants her wishes. In the meantime, Jihyok tries to play it cool, promising Darim to keep their almost affair a secret from her husband. The team cheerfully welcomes Sienu and Hyang. Out of curiosity, they ask the couple about their love story. Sienu lovingly reveals how he and Darim are childhood friends. He claims that he fell for her and confessed out of jealousy when she started dating someone else. All the ladies in the team swoon at the love story, but Jihyok and Hyang burn with jealousy. Later, Jihyuk asks Sienu about the loan shark situation. Sienu lies that it was the only time he and Darim fought. Jihyok doesn't buy his story and brings up an alleged friend whose wife fled to Jeju after a fight with her husband. After the tense and chaotic first meeting, Hyang asks Sienu to take photos of her. The two flirt around a bit as they take the pictures. Satisfied with the photoshoot, Hyang demands to try out another concept later. For the project, the Mother TF team takes an out-of-town trip to get the photos. Jihyok and Hyang grow jealous when they see Darim and Sienu joking around while taking pictures. In the evening, the team enjoys a group dinner. Darim gets a bit drunk and excuses herself to get some air. Jihyok follows to make sure she is okay. Hyang and Sienu are also outside enjoying the fall of the cherry blossoms flowers. Hyang asks if Sienu will sleep in the same room with Darim. She suddenly claims that it makes her uncomfortable and confesses her feelings. She kisses Sienu, as Jihyok watches from afar in horror. Just then, Darim appears, and Jihyok moves to shield her from seeing the couple kissing.